Heartdeco Lovers! Today I'm showing you all the cool features of our 12-liter infrared convection oven. So we're going to unbox it and show you all the cute accessories that it includes. Okay, so now that we've set everything up, I'm going to warm up my lunch using the timer on 10 minutes. And I'm going to keep the temperature really low because we're just warming it up and I just want to show you how to use it. So I absolutely love that it is a see-through container so I can see everything that's happening with my food. So in any instance that I feel like it's overcooking, then I just turn everything off and I can enjoy my food as I want it to be. Okay, so now that it's all cooked, I can see that it is crispy on the outside, yet moist on the inside, making it perfect to eat. I love it. It's perfect for home use, maybe even a small restaurant if you wanted to. You can also use it as a slow cooker during the load shedding days while you're at work, so when you get home, you have a nice home-cooked meal all ready to be eaten. Okay, so until next time, this is me, Heartdeco Sweetheart. Please remember to like, subscribe, and follow us for more.